Yeah, I'm gonna pull up. Oh my God. Oh, what a beautiful morning. What's the time? Why? May today be a beautiful day for me and everybody. Wait, is this my son Okolo? Huh? Has he started sweeping the compound? Has he waking up? Or can I Lola? Huh? Where is he? Huh? Lola? Where is my boy? Chinedu? At this time of morning, or has he sweeping? I haven't done anything yet, even to sweep the house. Let me see. Jesus is at this time in the morning, 6 o'clock, Chinedu is still on the bed. Jesus is Lord. Sleeping like a government abandoned project.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Can you imagine? When I was on this boy age, when I was on his age, by 5 o'clock, I've already waking up. Sweep all the compound, clean the house, fetch water, make sure that now everywhere is clean.
Will you keep quiet?
Look at him. Look at him. This boy will not spoil on my hand. Why maybe not on okay. Wait for me. Wait for me. You can allow by this time. Yeah? By this time of hey, come on, look at him sleeping like a minister of enjoyment. Father Lord, give me strength. Give me water. He can never be in my house. That one means of enjoyment here. Gambia. What time is it? Get up on there, sweep the house. In my luck, I just gave you an African alarm.
You are failure. You are failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
There is God.